devil's horse and ride into the town. Thunder, rain and storm follows after her. Nobody in the streets, she is the Ghost Rider girl. In their house, looking out of the window and see the snoring horse. The horse is snoring fire, his eyes are full of blood. She's thundered through the sky, yes, she got the look. Then you hear a devil cry, the hooves they're made of steel. Out from the hell, she is the Ghost Rider girl. After her, nobody in the streets, she is the Ghost Rider girl. The horse is snorting fire and his eyes are full of blood. She thundered through the sky, yes, 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 she's got the look. The sun goes down, and then she takes the devil's horse and rides into the town. Then you hear a devil cry, the hooves were made of steel. She came out from hell, she's the Ghost Rider girl. The horse is snorting fire, his eyes are full of blood. She thundered through the sky, she's got the look. Ha ha ha!